Have you ever wanted to live another place, save taxes, have a nice lifestyle, work, use that money for your family, for your lifestyle, for your business, for the future, for investments? Well, it's possible. Most of you watching this video are stuck in a situation where they can't move on. They think it's hard to relocate to another country, another city, open a new business, or use that business in another country and make more money, save taxes, everything legally and official. My name is Elliott. I now live in Dubai since 5 years, and I was in the same situation. I didn't know where to relocate and make the step. I was scared. So if you're in the same situation and you're struggling and you have, for example, a digital business, you're doing marketing or web design or SEO or graphic works or consultation or personal online coaching, or the list goes on and on. Well, and you're making some good amount of money, but you're giving a lot of money back to the government. Well, the solution is there. It's very easy. What if I tell you you need about 2 weeks to open your new business, get the visa, the bank accounts, and off you go operating this business, receiving the money via Stripe or invoicing your clients on your account and paying 0% taxes? It's possible. I'm doing it myself. I have a couple of businesses now. Also, I still have a business in Germany. I have an LLC in USA, an e-commerce business, and I have 2 businesses in Dubai, which is the company setup and a real estate company since 6 months. So if you're struggling to make this step and you've never been to Dubai, well, just come here for a few days, experience it, or watch some other YouTube videos. Why are so many people now moving to Dubai? It's pretty simple. It's, in my sense, the best place to be, and in the future, it will still be. As other countries and cities, as you can see, they're fighting against each other, but Dubai is just different. And the good thing is, in Dubai, you don't need to stay here. You can open your business, get the residency, your personal and your business bank account, and you just need to come back 1 time a year, and you're still receiving the money, and you can use that money for yourself or investments. And if you want to invest in the property, you still don't need to come here. You can stay out of the country, do the transaction with us, and use that money for later. So it's pretty simple. What's the cost? It depends on what activity, what company setup you're doing, how many shareholders. But for example, if you're one person and you're doing a marketing business, and you get the business, the personal bank account, the business license, the residency, which is valid for 2 years, is a standard process. So everyone is doing this process, and they are like one shareholder, and they want to open a company, use the same company they had beforehand, use that name. It's possible. And then just invoice the clients connected with Stripe. You have your business license, your business bank account, and you can open the Stripe account within a few days, or even PayPal or other credit card payment providers. So everything is possible. It's the same thing which I have. The cost will be approached $7,000. But just think about that. You're making 100,000 euro profit in your home country. Maybe you're paying 20, 30, 40% tax. In the end, you don't know what you're paying end of the year. And then you have other fees to pay. So imagine you're making this 100,000, but you're only paying 7,000 euro as a package. Of course, you have to come here to Dubai. You have to plan it about a week. So you have your flight, accommodation, which is maybe roughly about 2,000 euro or 3,000. That's the maximum. So it will cost you 9,000 to 10,000 euro for the setup. And then just minus that amount from the 100,000 minus 10,000, 90,000 profit. And now calculate what amount you're making in your home country. If you're in Germany, UK, USA, Spain, Sweden, if it's 20, 25, 30, 42, minus that. So you're opening your company, you're paying this package price with the hotel and accommodation, which you can reduce, of course, depending on what airline you choose and what accommodation. So you can have a hotel here for, say, 50 euros a day. You can have an hotel for 200 euros a day. So it all depends. Or if you know someone in Dubai, you can live in there in the room and you save that also. And then you can stay here if you want, or you can go back to your home country or anywhere else. If it's Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, many people do that now, Bali, Thailand, so many options you can go to. And you don't need to stay here if you don't want to stay here. You just need to come back one time a year. It's pretty cool, huh? And you see the amount you will save comparing if you're in your home country, keeping that business, and if you're sick and tired of living in your home country, in your city, to do this step. More and more people are doing this step, and it's pretty simple. Why should you stay in your home city doing your marketing business, you're invoicing your clients, and you're struggling all the time looking at your wall in your home office? It's not enjoyable. I did the same in Germany. I did the same, but I didn't make the step because I was sourcing where can I go to. It's Malta, Cyprus, Dubai. I was inquiring about the different steps, but I didn't know. And I was scared, to be honest, and how will it work? Can I do it? Can I not do it? But in the end, it is very simple. And that's the easy thing. You have your company, you're doing digital marketing in your home country, and then you just open your new business here. You just have to change your payment links, what you're doing now. You will receive the money into your UAE bank account. It's pretty easy and simple. The thing is, there are thousands of people thinking to do these steps, maybe millions, but they're not doing it. That is the issue. And why should we give all the money which we earn, it's hard earned, to the government? For what? Where's it going to? The thing is, if you are making more than 100,000 euro profit, there's a 9% corporate tax in Dubai. Many people know about this, many people don't. But the thing is, this 9%, if you're paying it, it's going into the country. And if you've never seen Dubai, you will see it with your own eyes. It's a different world. It's a different city. It's like your own country. And nobody is competing against Dubai. It's fact. Why am I here? Why am I promoting it? I can be anywhere. I could live anywhere if I wanted to, but I choose to stay in Dubai. And I'm very proud to be here myself. I'm a British passport holder and a German passport holder. I'm born and raised in Germany, and I lived 3 years in UK. But I prefer to live here, operate it, and work. That is my aim. So just think about that again. You're paying this 7,000 euro for the whole setup. You're invoicing your clients, keeping that money and using that money for your lifestyle, for your business, for your family, or for investments. And just going back to the 9%. So if you're making more than 100,000 euro profit, there's a 9% corporate tax. There's no personal income tax in Dubai, a 9% corporate tax. So if you're making this 100,000 euro, everything above, you will get taxed 9%. Below 100,000, not. But keep in mind, if you're making more and you're paying yourself a salary out, which is maybe 5,000, 10,000 into your personal bank account with the subject line salary payment, you're reducing your 9%. If you're having other expenses, you're also reducing this 9%. So you're still left with a lot of money, cash in your pocket, which is incredible. So if you're thinking to do this step, you can book in a call with myself. I will personally help you. I will guide you. I will give you all the information and see if you do qualify for this. And if you're not thinking to do it, still book in a call, get some information. Maybe you will do it in a couple of months or 1 or 2 years. But keep in mind, there are more and more people now doing this. They're either living here or they're opening it and moving to any other country. But keep in mind, we live one time alive. So we have one life. So use that life and don't look back and regret what you have not done. That's important. I've done that. I've lost many years stuck in Germany in a boring life, in a beautiful city, of course. I hustled, I worked, I was also an employee, but I didn't make the step because I didn't know how, and I didn't see any videos about this topic because I only searched on Google, but the option is there. So you're not losing anything. You can book in a free consultation call with me. I'm happy to give you all your questions answered. If it's 10 minutes, 30 minutes. So stay tuned for the next video.